Di, how did you go at Sydney Blooms?
Well, I started out thinking I wouldn't achieve as much as I did. I'm very, very happy with what's happened. And I've learned as much in these 4 days as I have the rest of my time that I've been painting, which is about 5 years.
Wow.
And Jackie, I want to thank you because you've been so generous with your time.
Thank you.
Not just with me, but everybody.
Oh, you're a darling. Thank you so much. You know I enjoy it a lot. And I was just thrilled to see you pulling these off. There's a couple of times where you're doing, you know, when you started out and things didn't look so certain, a bit wobbly, and then, you know, you just would pull one out of the hat, and you absolutely understood what was required from the instruction, and you did it. So well done you. I mean, you've done this one on your own entirely, this second Blooms Blossom one, and you can do a tiny bit more at home later. Get a couple more greens in, but I'm really loving it. It's very delicate. You've done a great job. Look at that too. It's wonderful.
Thank you, Jackie. I've had a great time, and I've enjoyed the company of all the other ladies too. What a lovely group.
They've been great, haven't they?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.